Linear equations and systems by graphing. Question number 5. Graphically solving a system of linear equations. Graph the system below and write its solution. Y equals 1/3 x plus 1, x minus 3y equals negative 3. Note that you can also answer no solution or infinitely many solutions. So let's scoot this down so we can see the graph better. So this top one is already in y equals mx plus b form. So we have y equals. This one does not say y equals, so we first need to change that. So I'm going to rewrite it over here. X minus 3y equals negative 3. When I'm solving for y, I first need to move the x's away from the y. So I'm going to do the opposite. Right now I have a positive x, so I'm going to use a negative x to move it to the other side, right? Subtract x. X subtract x leaves 0x, so we write nothing down there. And we just bring this down because we still have negative 3y. Now we have negative x minus 3. Now I wrote my negative x first because I'm trying to get y equals mx plus b. I want y equals and then the x with its number and another number at the end. So now I have negative 3y equals negative x minus 3. Now I need to get rid of the number that's being multiplied by y. How I undo multiplication is I divide by that number. I have to divide everything on the other side of that equation by that negative 3. So then I get y equals, I have a negative divided by a negative. That leaves me with a positive 1/3 x. This has a 1 in front of it. Even though we can't see it, there's always a 1 in front of the x if there's nothing there. Well, we're going to write that down by, first we use our y-intercept. This is our y-intercept number. That means we're going to start on the y-axis at 1. And then our 1/3 tells us to go up 1 and over 3. That's our second point. We went up 1, then over 3. Now we can draw a line. I'm going to try to draw a straight line, but it's usually pretty hard for me to draw a straight line. Okay, and then if I graph the other line, it would just be right on top of this line. That means every point on this line touches the other line. That means we have infinitely many solutions because our lines are the same line.